286 horsepower, up to 627 kilometers of range, and a touchscreen that slides to reveal a secret safe. This is the new Ford Capri, and it just made the Volkswagen ID.5 look boring. The Capri makes a statement before you even open the door. This agate black metallic finish gives it a stealthy, almost sinister presence. The front fascia features slim LED headlights that frame a blacked-out grille, creating a face that hints at the original Capri without copying it. Move to the side, and that fastback roofline becomes the star of the show. It flows from the A-pillar all the way to the rear spoiler in one uninterrupted sweep. The door handles sit flush against the body for better aerodynamics, and this premium trim rides on gorgeous multi-spoke alloy wheels. Around the back, a full-width light bar connects the taillights and sits above the Capri badge. The proportions are muscular without being aggressive, sporty without trying too hard. Ford calls it a coupe SUV, and that description actually fits. Step inside and things get interesting. The first thing you notice is that massive 14.6-inch touchscreen standing vertically in the center console. But here's where the Capri does something clever. Grab the bottom of that screen and tilt it forward, and it reveals a hidden compartment Ford calls My Private Locker. It is the perfect spot for your wallet, phone, or anything you want to hide when you park. The driver gets a 12-way power-adjustable seat with lumbar support and a massage function. Let that sink in. Massage seats in this price range. The steering wheel and front seats are heated as standard, and the materials throughout feel a step above what you might expect. A 7-speaker sound system with an integrated soundbar sits atop the dashboard, delivering surprisingly rich audio. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect instantly, and the Ford Sync Move system is intuitive enough that you will not be fighting with menus while driving. Now let us talk about practicality. The boot opens electrically with a simple foot gesture under the rear bumper, revealing 572 liters of cargo space. That beats the Volkswagen ID.5 by a comfortable margin. Fold the rear seats and you are looking at 1,510 liters. Under the front armrest hides what Ford calls the Mega Console, a 17-liter compartment big enough to swallow a 15-inch laptop. The flat floor throughout makes loading and unloading a breeze. There is no frunk, unfortunately, but that boot space more than compensates. Under the floor sits a 77 kilowatt-hour battery powering a rear-mounted electric motor. 286 horsepower and 545 newton-meters of torque go exclusively to the rear wheels. Ford claims a range of up to 627 kilometers on a single charge. Plug into a 185 kilowatt fast charger and you will go from 10 to 80% in around 26 minutes. At 52,250 euros as tested here in Belgium, the Capri Premium undercuts the comparable Volkswagen ID.5 by a few thousand, while offering more boot space and that trick screen. It is the electric SUV for someone who wants practicality without sacrificing personality. If you want to see how this compares to the Tesla Model Y, that video is coming next. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.